Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, and today's videos, guys, it's another collaboration and it's another unboxing, and at the same time it's another review product with the collaboration that we had for today. So today is another gadgets or another apparatus that could use to us as human being. So this is I have here a smartwatch, and this is very important to us, and this is really not just important, I bet it's really help in our daily routine or our daily lives. So stay tuned, stay with me, and stay frosty because we're gonna unbox and we're gonna review these products and how it looks like. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you're excited, and all of you there are, I hope you are doing all right and doing great. To all to my subscribers and to my fans and to all my 4,600 subscribers, thank you for watching again in my YouTube channel. So yeah, today's vlog, it's what we have here, it's a smart watch, and I've been using this one for a couple days ago, but I'm gonna review it, and I have different kind of smartwatches, but this one is really important since I love to work out, or work out at home, and also I love to walk or hike, and sometimes, and I can use this one as well. So the reason why, I'll let you know later, and what are the features and details on this apparatus, on this smartwatch. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is how it looks like. So this is the power button here. As you can see, that's the power button. I'll turn it on. Also a touch screen, so see. Okay, change it. So this is the smartwatch. It's stainless steel, and it has this is rose gold color. As you can see. It has for phone calls, there's the settings right there, and also contacts, the time, it has time, and this one is for barometer, I bet, if I'm not mistaken. Just click that one. So this one is the camera, and it has Bluetooth and speaker, and this one is Facebook. So you can connect this one to your phone as well. So you can choose. That's if you want to walk, you can set this one
And also you can change into time like that. Back to menu, just press the button there. And yeah, and if you want the time, just double click. If you want the digital, not digital, the clock. See, and it says Monday, blah blah, so you can set a time. So this is not correct time, but this is just an example of our settings right here. So so yeah, this is pretty cool stuff that, you know, it's perfect if you want to go back to. So I'm gonna go back to where it was. So you just change, it's touch screen as well. So yeah, and this is pretty cool stuff. Super love this one. See, which is a menu. It's soft touch. Just screen. Facebook. There you go. So you can just go to your Facebook here and voila.
Smart. So yeah, guys, so this smartphone, it is a, what I call this one, let me read it. So this is like smartphone for women. So they have also different kind of color. I think they have the silver one, silver black, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So this is smart watch phone. It is this is, yeah, this is Bluetooth connection, and you can connect to your Bluetooth. And also it is Android fitness. So a while ago I showed you the how it looks like. This is also a gold smartwatch answer as well. And because you can connect your phone here, and then if you want to answer your call, you can just press this one here. So that's the time. So it's also touch screen. And also make Bluetooth call, digital watch compatible Android to iOS phone to iPhone, and waterproof 123 sport mode, rest pedometer heart rate monitor. So if you want to monitor your heart rate, it has also here, and your walking distance and how far you been walking. So yeah, I think I see it all. I think there's still more that I'm going to say. And so yeah, after opening the Bluetooth connected my mobile app, swipe down to open the swatch menu and light up the call function, and you can make call through your fitness tracker, which make easier for you to make calls when you don't want to take out your phone. Voila. So the smartwatch supports answering calls. You can also answer calls, which means you can still answer calls whenever you want and whenever you're driving on the go. So this is very, very nice. This feature increases your productivity and convenience and avoids missing important calls. So amazing. So the touch display, see, that's the touch display. You can change also. Right now I have kind of flower, I think. Yeah. So this is pretty amazing. I love it. So yeah, it's personalized watch, and most of the time I use this for walking, so that I could monitor my my heart rate. It's also capture first-hand dynamics heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure to achieve complete health and protection. Not only you can check your body's health data through this smartwatch, but you can also view recent data changes in the Dafit app. So yeah, it's pretty amazing stuff. And also this is like I would say this is multifunctional smartwatch because it has Bluetooth calls that makes your life more comfortable, and it has practical features and answer make calls, messages, reminders. So you just choose this one, choose the you click this. I want to go back to menu. So yeah, so just amazing. So yeah, I super love this kind of stuff. And what else? So there are instructions, so don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link in my description, and for you to, if you're interested, and you know, if you want to get a pair of this, and this is perfect for also as a gift to your friends and loved ones, and perfect. This is pretty, it was not that expensive, it was around 59 a box, so it's like 60 bucks on Amazon. So I super love this one. So thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. This has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.